Understanding quality control, QC. Quality control, QC, is a crucial process adopted by businesses to ensure that the products they deliver meet specific quality standards. This multi-step approach not only aims to maintain but also to enhance the quality of products, providing a framework through which employees and management work collaboratively towards perfection. The role of quality control. At the heart of quality control lies the establishment of meticulous controls that enhance the standardization of production processes and the management of quality issues. By clearly defining the responsibilities in production tasks, companies can ensure that employees are not put in positions requiring skills or knowledge they do not possess. This significantly reduces the likelihood of errors and promotes a culture of accountability. Key takeaways. Quality assurance process, QC, is a structured approach aimed at ensuring product quality is maintained or improved. Statistical significance. Testing products within certain specifications helps identify and rectify any deviations. Industry variability. The methods and measures of quality control vary from one industry to another, each necessitating tailored approaches reflecting the unique nature of their products. Understanding quality control, QC. The essence of QC is to test products or units to determine if they fall within acceptable standards before being released to customers. This testing process is vital for assessing the production line's output, ensuring that any faults are corrected on time and that production meets consumer demands. Why is quality control necessary? Quality control is indispensable for various reasons. 1. Cost and time efficiency. Developing a high-quality product is often costly and demands considerable time investments. Procedural shortcuts can lead to defects, causing financial losses and unsafe products. 2. Liability management. Companies that dispatch defective products risk substantial liabilities, which can result from consumer injuries or dissatisfaction. 3. Consumer confidence. A robust quality control system fosters confidence amongst consumers, assuring them that the products they purchase are safe and reliable. How QC is implemented. Quality control is not a one-time effort but a continuous process typically enacted at various stages of production. Raw material testing. Inspection begins with the evaluation of raw materials to ensure initial quality. In-process testing. Sampling from the production line allows businesses to identify issues in real time. Final product assessment. The last stage involves testing the finished product to ascertain that it complies with quality standards. In non-manufacturing sectors, QC can include customer service evaluations, audits, and feedback surveys. Industry-specific quality control. The strategies employed for quality control can differ greatly based on the industry in which a business operates. Food and drug industry. In the food and drug sectors, QC encompasses rigorous testing for chemical composition and microbiological safety, aiming to prevent consumer illnesses. Aerospace manufacturing. In the aerospace industry, stringent QC measures are paramount, mandating meticulous documentation, inspection, and tracking of all parts and processes. This vigilance helps ensure that safety standards are uncompromisingly met. Automotive production. Automobile manufacturers focus on ensuring that individual components meet strict specifications for operational efficiency and safety. This includes testing engines, drivetrains, and other mechanical parts. Electronics manufacturing. In electronics, quality testing may involve electrical flow measurement and stress tests to ensure that products will function correctly under various conditions. Quality control versus quality assurance. While the terms quality control and quality assurance are often used interchangeably, they represent different concepts within the quality management landscape. Quality control, QC, specifically addresses the identification of defects in products. Quality assurance, QA, encompasses all processes and activities aimed at ensuring that quality requirements are met throughout production, including preventative measures. Understanding this distinction is essential for professionals as they advance in their careers. Common quality control methods. Several specific methods contribute to effective quality control. 1. X-bar chart. This graphical tool tracks product attributes against acceptable levels of variance, indicating whether defects are occurring randomly or systematically. 2. Taguchi method. This approach focuses on enhancing product design to minimize defects and variabilities in the production phase. 3. 100% inspection method. While comprehensive, this method entails inspecting every part of the product, which can be cost-prohibitive and may risk damaging sensitive materials. Career opportunities in quality control. A career in quality control can be rewarding and seeks individuals who excel in communication, analysis, and problem-solving. Generally, aspiring QC professionals may need a high school diploma or a relevant bachelor's degree, experience within their field, licenses or certification specific to their industry. Potential career progression includes roles such as Quality Assurance Systems Manager, Quality Compliance Manager, Director of Quality. Salaries for quality control professionals vary depending on sector and expertise. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, as of May 2023, professional, scientific, and technical services, average salary approximate $48,680. Manufacturing, average salary approximate $46,390. Wholesale trade, average salary approximate $43,880. Administrative and support services, average salary approximate $35,940. Conclusion. Implementing a robust quality control framework is essential for any business seeking to ensure product safety and reliability. It not only elevates product quality but also fosters a positive environment for employee ownership and innovation. Aspiring QC professionals will find this field rewarding, with diverse career pathways and a significant impact on product outcomes and customer satisfaction. Quality control is thus indispensable for the long-term success of any organization.